everyone and welcome back to my channel and welcome to the part 2 of this video. If you haven't watched the part 1 yet, then I'll link it in the iCard here. Go watch that first, then आपको ये video का connectivity समझ में आएगा. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing everything about GAT, what to prepare, how to prepare, what to expect in GAT examination और फिर कौन से books refer कर सकते हो, कौन से links for general knowledge and everything. So all the marks distribution, everything, basically everything about GAT. So if you're someone who's interested, then please keep on watching. GAT is General Ability Test. It's a 2-hour examination. Again, 100 marks ka total. So you'll have 100 questions which will include English. English will be a major portion of it. English mein you'll have passages. Like you'll have passages and then questions to answer. You'll have antonyms, synonyms. You'll have correct word to choose, like correct spelling wala word to choose. You'll have 10 basic grammar questions. Basic grammar in the sense it could be a little high level grammar, but yeah, grammar questions. Along with English, there's mathematics, basic mathematics till your 12th standard that you've done. Yes, the questions are a little bit tricky, but so you need to be good with your mathematics. ऐसा मत सोचो कि mathematics पे से इतना सब judge नहीं करेंगे because it's a fashion institute का examination. Mathematics is important. So practice maths. I'll suggest you a book in a while now. But there's going to be maths. There's going to be general knowledge too, like current affairs, general knowledge, and stuff like that. The current affairs would be past मतलब like अभी past 1 year में जो भी होगा current affairs would be that, and general knowledge basically past history में से चीज़ें वगैरह. Then there would be analytical and logical reasoning, which used to be my favorite part, but unfortunately during my exam it just got cancelled. There were no questions from analytical and logical wala section, maybe because it was online, no idea why, but her exam mein it was a major section, like 15 to 20 questions aate hain uske, but during my examination it just wasn't there. But yeah, okay, so you'll have English, GK, mathematics and analytical and logical reasoning. GK mein you'll have a little bit of science ka questions too, like basic questions science related जो general knowledge में होते हैं, then basic थोड़ा history, थोड़ा geography, then current affairs and stuff. Now a lot of people neglect GAT because they're like a creativity वाला exam है and we're really good with creative skills, so we'll score good. But no, GAT also holds a very high percentage of weightage, and your GAT score decides if you will pass the examination, I mean pass your first level or not. Because CAT के marks अच्छे आ गए but GAT में आपने गंदा परफॉर्म किया तो of course your total will be less, and then cut off से अगर वो कम हो गया then of course you won't be able to clear it. So don't neglect GAT, practice that too also. I've seen a lot of people practice GAT in the end वाला part, like last के 1 month में and 15 days में. Don't do that, वैसे नहीं हो पाएगा because there's just too much to know, practice, there's just too much to study, and end में करने जाओगे तो कुछ होगा नहीं. So please make sure that you practice that too every day. Okay, so that is basically what GAT is and उसमें क्या होता है. Now let's talk about how to go about preparing for GAT. Now I have a book for you guys that I used to refer to or I used to study from when I did not take any coaching, and it's this book. One sec. It's this book, The Ultimate Guide for NIFT, NID and IIFT Entrance Examination, and it literally has everything. It has English, it has maths, it has analytical wala things, and it also has current affairs wala part. It is a really nice book. So how to go about preparing is, it also has like paragraphs for passages for English. It has previous year's question papers that you can solve later on when your examination ka time comes, but pehle practice period mein it English ke part ke liye it has a lot of passages. So make sure that you practice a lot of passages because exam के time पे you only have 2 hours and you get about 5 to 6 passages, and फिर वो सब read करो and then एक question answer करने में it takes a lot of time. So if you have a practice कि how to go about reading a passage, how to answer questions, then that will help you speed up your performance in examination. So yeah, for English, do read passages, do read passages, solve passages, and for antonyms, synonyms, basic English नहीं आता है. It's very high level English and you need to know high level words and उसके synonyms, antonyms, and what its meaning is. You could also get like a complicated sentence, like a very high class English sentence, and उसमें complicated English word होगा, तो what that word means, find out उसका जो भी correct meaning है, मतलब tick that, ऐसा. सो या इंग्लिश इज़ नॉट ईजी. ऐसा जैसे स्कूल में हम सब करते थे कि इंग्लिश में कौन ही पढ़ता है, पैसेजेस ही आते हैं, हो जाएगा. निफ्ट के लिए ऐसा मत करना. निफ्ट का इंग्लिश इज़ वेरी हार्ड, इट्स वेरी हाई लेवल, एंड यू नीड टू हैव गुड प्रैक्टिस, गुड वोकैबुलरी स्किल्स, गुड ग्रामर, वेरी गुड ग्रामर to like crack NIFT का English वाला paper. Then for mathematics, again you have all the topics, all the basic topics in this. Starting में पूरा explanation भी है कि how to solve questions, what formula to use, how to go about like what type of questions, how to answer and stuff. So like starting में आप वो खुद से read कर करके आपको समझ आ जाएगा कि chapter कैसे solve करना है, क्या करना है, and then you will have practice questions पीछे एंड क्वेश्चंस के साथ, देन बैक पे आंसर्स भी है. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू प्रैक्टिस मैथ्स ऑल्सो. आपको अभी मैंने ये बुक सजेस्ट कर दी, तो अगेन आई लीव अ लिंक ऑफ दिस बुक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन डाउन बिलो. इट्स अवेलेबल ऑन Amazon, so you can get it. So yeah, you can practice maths from this too. Then GK के लिए I'll tell you two things. One, इसमें there is general knowledge का बहुत कुछ, like capitals of city of states, and then specialities of cities and states and India, like out of India. Geography related बहुत कुछ है, history related बहुत कुछ है, science related है, एंड बेसिकली एवरीथिंग जो जनरल नॉलेज के लिए आपको पता होना चाहिए, वैसे बहुत कुछ है, लाइक बहुत ही कुछ है. सो लाइक आपको स्टार्टिंग से अगर आप रीड करते रहो एंड यू मेक नोट्स आउट ऑफ इट एंड कीप रिवाइजिंग इट एंड स्टफ, तो आपका जीके का वो प्रिपरेशन हो जाएगा. नाउ कमिंग टू करंट अफेयर्स, कीपिंग अ होल्ड और कीपिंग अ ट्रैक ऑफ करंट अफेयर्स वाज रियली हार्ड फॉर मी टू. बट व्हाट यू कैन डू इज देयर इज अ link or maybe something called Textbook Daily. I subscribed to it and I used to get mails every day about the current affairs of that day. Like वो दिन में कुछ हुआ है, जैसे किसी को अवार्ड मिला है, या किसी को नोबेल प्राइज मिला है, या किसी की बुक के बारे में, या कुछ anything sports related, Olympics related, fashion related, like fashion related कोई event है तो उसके बारे में, या पॉलिटिक्स रिलेटेड, एनीथिंग जो भी हुआ है वर्ल्ड में, नॉट जस्ट इंडिया, ओवरऑल वर्ल्ड में, एवरीथिंग you will get in your mail. वो दिन का specifically you will get in your mail. So like every day पे you can read it and you can make notes out of it and then like keep revising it. So that will help in your GK वाला part, and then this book can help you too. I'll leave that textbook daily वाला जो भी मैं आपको बता रही थी उसका भी thing in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to it and make sure to give a mail ID that is valid and that is working, because उस पर आपको रोज mails आएंगे, तो you need to like, so then only you will be able to check कि क्या है क्या नहीं. Also GK के लिए one more important thing is brands and their taglines and their logos. Like they could ask you questions कि ये tagline किसका है. Like for McDonald's it's I am loving it. They could ask you a question, I am loving it. Choose which brand का it's a tagline. You could just do it. Choose which brand का it's a tagline. And ऐसा नहीं है कि सब basic brands का आएगा. It could be any brand. Cars का brand, fashion brand, or like normal lifestyle products वाला brand. It could be any brand, and you'll have to answer which brand has this tagline. So like GK is very vast, इसलिए I'm telling you last moment पे GAT लेने मत बैठना, नहीं हो पाएगा. It's very vast. GK, maths, English and analytical reasoning, it's so much fun. I used to do that every day because it was just very fun for me. Again वो भी ये book में है, you can practice from here. This book actually was really good to prepare for the GAT part. And CAT के लिए भी they have questions थोड़ा बहुत, not very much, but CAT के लिए थोड़ा बहुत तो है ही उनके पास. And again previous year's question papers are there, so you can practice during a mock test, or even you can get those previous year's question papers on Google if you want. Now one more important thing in GAT is that GAT में there is negative marking. Now each question, there are 100 questions and total marks is 100. So each question is for 1 mark. But every time you you attempt a question and your answer is wrong, you get a minus 0.25. So for example, आपने 10 questions wrong किया है, तो आपका 2.5 marks जो आपका score आपने किया है, जो questions right हुए हैं और जो total है उसमें से minus हो जाएगा. So negative marking is a bad thing. So like be careful of the negative marking. ऐसे ही सब questions attempt करना है, तुक्का मार देंगे, कोई तो right आ जाएगा, marks बढ़ जाएंगे, ऐसे सोच के मत करके आना. नेगेटिव मार्किंग में मार्क्स कम होते हैं बहुत, और लाइक अगर सोचो आपने 20-30 नेगेटिव मार्किंग्स कर दिए तो आपके एक्चुअल स्कोर जो आपका आने वाला था उसमें से आपने मार्क्स खुद ही अपने कम करवा दिए. सो मेक श्योर यू डोंट डू दैट. ओनली अटेम्प्ट द क्वेश्चंस दैट यू आर रियली श्योर अबाउट. एंड किसी में इफ यू आर लाइक डाइसी, हाँ ये हो सकता है, इसको कर सकते हैं, तो टेक अ चांस फॉर 5-6 क्वेश्चंस इफ यू वांट, बट नॉट मोर देन 10-20-30. ओके प्लीज, दैट्स जस्ट टू मच. इट विल अफेक्ट योर स्कोर. एंड अगेन कट ऑफ से ज्यादा मार्क्स लाने में अगर उसके वजह से आपका कम हो गया ना, यू विल फील वेरी बैड. सो डोंट डू दैट. स्टे अवे फ्रॉम नेगेटिव मार्किंग एंड बी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट इट. सो yeah, that's it about GAT. I hope that I covered all the points about GAT and the examination. I really hope that the concept of CAT and GAT is clear by now. But still, if you have any doubts, you can leave it in the comments down below or DM me on my Instagram, and I'll be happy to answer them and solve your doubts. So yeah, if this video helped you, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you are new here to watch more of fashion videos, NIFT Mumbai vlogs, normal challenges and vlogs and stuff. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you really very soon in my next video. Bye.